Welcome to episode 2 of the What is Climate Change and What Can I Do About It series. Today I wanted to talk about what the greenhouse gas effect is. What happens is the sun sends out energy in the electromagnetic spectrum, without going into all the technical detail of it, but in that spectrum it includes light and ultraviolet, infrared radiation, the nasties, X-rays and gamma rays and things like that. But anyway, it all arrives at the Earth, and the atmosphere takes out, the upper atmosphere takes out most of all the nasties, but light and a bit of ultraviolet and a bit of infrared get through and essentially reach the Earth's surface. Some light is reflected back off the ice surfaces or snow surfaces, but most of it's received, especially at the oceans and the darker areas of the Earth. And then it's like the Earth's got an energy balance. So the energy it receives, it then reflects back out as a heat energy. And as it comes back up into the atmosphere, there are various gases called greenhouse gases that capture this heat energy and push it back out again in all different directions. And believe it or not, water vapor by volume is the largest greenhouse gas of all. But there are a number of other gases, including carbon dioxide, which is the most predominant, apart from water vapor. There's methane, there's nitrous oxide, and there's various man-made greenhouse gases now too, since the Second World War. So as the heat rises, these gases capture that energy and push it out in all directions, including back down to the Earth. Now, without the greenhouse gases, the Earth would be 33 degrees cooler. It would be minus 19 degrees on average. It's higher than that because of these greenhouse gases, which have been in a dynamic equilibrium for about 600,000 years. But what's happening now is that blanket, if we can call it a blanket, is getting thicker.